Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Restic backups from VPS with S3 compatibility. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin configuring Restic backups from your VPS with S3 compatibility, ensure that you have Restic installed on your server. You can install Restic by running the appropriate command for your operating system. Once installed, create a new directory to store your backup repository. Next, select an S3 compatible storage provider and gather your access credentials, including the access key, secret key, and bucket name. Set the environment variables for your S3 credentials using the following commands. Replace the placeholders with your actual S3 access key and secret key. Next, specify the S3 endpoint URL if your provider requires it. Now, initialize a new Restic repository by executing the command with the S3 backend. Ensure the command includes the necessary flags for your S3 configuration. After initializing the repo, verify the configuration by listing the repository contents. This step confirms that Restic can connect to your S3 compatible storage successfully. With your repository set up, create a backup command to specify the files or directories you wish to backup. You can use the Restic backup command followed by the paths of items to backup. For additional options, consider including flags for retention policy or specifying snapshots. Once the backup command is ready, execute it to start the backup process to your S3 compatible storage. After the backup completes, you can check the status of your snapshots using the Restic snapshots command. To ensure ongoing protection, consider setting up a cron job to automate regular backups. Edit your crontab file by using the crontab command. Add a new line to schedule your backup jobs at your preferred interval. Finally, save the changes to your crontab. Now you have successfully configured Restic backups from your VPS with S3 compatibility. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.